Michael Gish with MarineMax in Maryland, standing on board the 2021 Azimut 72 Fly. Can't wait to bring you through this one. Stepping on the 72, very simple, whether it's from port or starboard. Nice flat space to step onto, right onto that teak sole, so again, you feel like you're stepping right onto the yacht that you belong on. Swim platform, hydraulic, drops down into the water, has a swim ladder that deploys off it also. Comes back up, gives you a lot of space. Whether you want to have some storage back here or access to your crew quarter. Pull this open, full crew and captain quarter down below, and a separate head. Add a little feature. I like the head that's down there. Step inside, a few steps in, port side. If you have guests that are swimming, hanging out back here and they don't want to go all the way through the boat, very simple, easy access. Speaking of easy access, port or starboard into the cockpit. So again, doesn't matter whether you're docked up to the port or starboard, it's easy to get on. Standing in the cockpit, great place to meet and greet your guests. Teak sole throughout, large table with the U-shaped seating. Of course, this is an indoor-outdoor finish that stays up, very durable even when it's wet. Still get the entertainment sink here, refrigerator, and of course the doors that open all the way up that go into the main salon. Take just a few steps in from the cockpit and you enter in the main salon. Lots of glass and light, really gives you that feeling of the indoor-outdoor space. U-shaped sofa, nice leather finish to it, nice offset to the high gloss wood trim that you'll find throughout. Add a little feature, entertainment space, whether you're inside or out, keep your nice glasses here, as well as a wine fridge. Want to watch the game, catch up on your favorite streaming video, you have that ability, just have the TV come up, great view, drop it down when all you want to see is the water. One of my favorite features of the 72 is the true dinette table. Seating for 6, room for everybody, feels just like you're at home having family dinner. As you move over towards the galley, get a nice island over here, full-size refrigerator, lots of storage throughout. Of course, being an Azimut, it has the high-end Miele cooktop and microwave convection oven, large sink, very usable, friendly galley. Nice bonus feature is this space forward of the galley. Works as a great little breakfast nook, also a good spot to set up your home office and take those Zoom calls from. Lower helm, have a great commanding view. It's easy to dock from and a great place to run the boat from. Everything you need can be run from here. Whether it's your MAN motors, integrated joystick docking, bow and stern thruster, autopilot, Seakeeper, it's all right here. With the Raymarine Platinum package that's in this vessel, you can also run your air conditioning system, start and stop the generator, flip over from shore to generator power. Again, really everything you need to control and run your vessel. Full beam, master stateroom, walk around island bed, all the same level. So if you're climbing up in the middle of the night, you don't worry about that trip hazard. Lots of storage throughout. Got the drawers integrated here, soft close of course. Large walk-in closet behind me here, behind the mirror. Literally step in, storage cubbies, hanging rack and back. Lots of room for if you're gonna spend a week or a month on the boat, you have the space for it. Television integrated behind the mirror with a sound bar, so you get that nice sound and the great view. Add a couple bonus. Of course, the master stateroom is gonna have its master head separated off to the starboard side, but you also get a nice little nook. Again, a great spot to get ready for the evening or enjoy that first cup of coffee if you have a boat full of guests. Master stateroom, head, dual sinks, separate shower stall, lots of headroom. Again, really the space you'd expect in a 72-foot boat. Fourth stateroom on the boat, single beds, hanging locker, access to its own private head. Added feature, you do have an opening port light to get a little extra fresh breeze. Third stateroom, full-size bed, nice flat screen television with the Bose soundbar of course, another hanging locker, and access to the shared head or the day head. Your guests will love to stay in this VIP stateroom. It is all the way forward in the boat. Do have access to both sides, so you get lots of natural light, port lights that open on either side. Of course, you have the television, Bose soundbar, access to their own separate head with a separate shower stall, large hanging lockers throughout, and some above the window cabinetry as well. So again, whether they're there for a weekend or a week, there's going to be room for all their things. Azimuts are known for their big, expansive bridges, and this one will not disappoint. Lots and lots of room for entertaining. Full entertainment bar here, grill top, ice maker, refrigerator drawer, and a sink underneath here. Need extra seating? It's all definitely here. Whether you want to put 2 or 4 up front, room for 80 or closest friends here. Need a little bit extra sun? Roll the top back and let the sun come in. Personal little favorite here, the tops on these are new for 2021. It's got a nice matte finish to it, really complements the rest of the boat. Aft seating on the bridge, lots and lots of space. Great place to lounge out, read your favorite book, or just watch the sun go down. Sitting at the bridge helm, the best views for when you're running the boat. You do have a duplicate of the control station down below, so the twin Raymarine screens with everything integrated, of course autopilot. Still get the joystick that integrates the bow and stern thrusters and the MAN motors, and your VHF radio. Added bonus, you can even sync up to the Fuse stereo system and stream your favorite music. The bow of the 72, one of the most versatile places on the boat. If you want to pull up to get out of the sun, press a button, the cabana comes over, protects you. You can lounge out. You have a great table if you want to put on a small spread or an afternoon snack, or full out lay in the sun chaise loungers. Well, we have that also. 2021 Azimut 72 Fly. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, YouTube, or better yet, just give us a phone call, shoot us an email, stop on in the store so we can walk you through in person.